In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Airbnb. So first of all, open up any browser and then just type in Airbnb and then jobs and then click on enter. And then at the top, you need to click on this option saying careers at Airbnb. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then you will land on this page and then you have this option to explore open roles. So let's go ahead and click on this in here. And now you will see all of the open roles currently available. So you can also filter on team, where you work, and your work flexibility. So let's fill something in. Let's fill in the United States. And then we will find all of the jobs that are available in the United States. Now let's also select the team. And you can see how many possibilities there are. So with engineering, there are 66 jobs and finance 10. And let's go ahead and click on finance in here. And when we scroll down, we can see all of the options in finance in the USA. So let's say that I like this option in here, senior program analyst. If I'm interested in this job, I'm simply going to click on this job title. And once I do that, I will find the job description and all of the details that are included in this job. So information like a typical day, the difference you will make, your expertise, your location, and their commitment to inclusion and belonging will be written down in here. And if you want to apply to this job, you're going to click on application. You need to fill in your first name, last name, your email, your phone, your location and your city, your resume, cover letter, your LinkedIn profile. How did you hear about this job? Basically everything that is in here is what you need to fill in. And after you have done that, you can click on submit application. And once you do that, your application will be processed and then Airbnb will let you know if you have got the job, yes or no. So this is how we do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.